What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the MoJo Ninja Garage. And today, like I told y'all, I got to do some work on the daily, so I figured why not do a video. And I'm just doing some basic maintenance today on my truck. So I got an 06 Silverado, and I got a lot of stuff I need to do to this thing. I kind of let it fall off. I've been spending a whole lot of time on the Ghost, but it's time to do some refurbishing on the truck. So today we're gonna do some simple stuff. I'm gonna do the brakes on it because the brakes are talking to me, and then change the windshield wipers and just stuff like that. I mean, I'm trying to get it done because though you can look outside there, there's the truck, but it looks sunny out there, right? Sunny. But in no time, it's gonna be storming. So I gotta get all of this stuff done before this actual storm rolls in. That way then I can kind of at least have my brakes done to where I can, safely drive the truck. Cause right now, every time I press the brake pedal, it tells me brake service light and the brake light starts blinking. So let me tell you what brought me to thinking that, I need to check my brakes, cause I looked at it and I see what the problem is. But before we get into that, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm seeing whenever I hit the brakes. So let me let this car go in front of me here. There we go. You see that? That's what it's saying when I hit the brakes. Every time I tap the brakes, we got a nice little straight line right here so you can see. And then I hit the brakes, that's what I'm seeing. So, let's go back to the house. I'm gonna park this thing and I'll show you what I believe it is and what the issue is that I'm having. Because for the brakes pads, all right, so check this out, man. So I decided to come and take a look at my brake fluid, right? And look at that. I don't know if y'all can see in there good. Here, let me see if I can shine a little light down in there on the situation. If y'all can see that, it is pretty low. So, because my brake fluid is low, it's not giving me enough pressure, so it's making it seem like my brakes are just malfunctioning. So I thought I had some brake fluid in the garage, and I don't. So that means I need to go and visit the auto parts store and get me some brake fluid. So here we go. I'll put a little bit of this .3 in here. Okay, that should be enough. So now, let's take a ride and let's see what we're looking like now. Let's see if we got the situation resolved here. So here we go, a nice little hard stop here. Look at that. Look at that. Problem solved. I'll show you my little janky thing I got going on with my windshield wipers, man. Matter of fact, you can see it from right here, dude. Check us out. You see that? I had to do that in a pinch. So you had a zip tie in the truck, had to throw it on there so that it would stay on there in the rain. So that it wouldn't fly off the car and I just wouldn't be wiping the windows with just straight metal. So let's get to the house and then we'll get those replaced and then we'll hang up those banners. All right, so let's pop this off of here. See how easy that came off of there? It just wasn't holding no more on that thing there. So I ordered these. I got them off Amazon. So let's see how well they do. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these things on there real quick. All right, so the garage, that's where all of the magic happens on the channel. So I reached out to a couple of companies, you know what I mean? To be specific, I reached out to Perrin. And the reason why I did that is because, you know, the garage looks pretty dull and I kind of want to spicing it up a little bit, or kind of dress it up a little bit, make it look good, you know, because this is our workshop, man. This is where we do our thing at. So I looked on the Perrin site. I didn't really see anything, so I was like, you know, maybe it's just not on there and they have it. So I reached out and I sent them an email and said, hey, you know, can you guys, you know, send me the part number or whatever it is to get a banner. You know, if you even have them on your site. If you have them on your site, cool. If you do, can you send me the part number so I can get me one ordered? I would like to decorate my garage with some of the, you know, with a banner from the products that I use on my car. So sure enough, I'm thinking, well, it's gonna be a while for they get back to me, you know, blah blah blah. And I tell you, I did this at nighttime. I woke up the next morning, get ready to go to work, and I got email from parents saying, you know, and they answered me back fast. I was just like, wow. So what they did is they emailed me back and told me, hey, you know what? They thought it was pretty cool that I wanted to, you know, decorate my garage with, you know, a banner of theirs. So they sent me one, which is real cool, you know, and it came in the mail. Here it is right here. And I figured I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and a big thank you to Perrin for sending this out to me, man. Let's look at it. Let's open it up and let's look at it and see exactly what's in this, because I haven't opened it at all. I just got it and I just sat it down on my workbench so I could open it up with you guys. So let's check it out. Pop this thing open. And let's see what we got here, man. Oh man. Ooh, wait a minute, huh? Hey, that's what I'm talking about, fool. Yeah. All right. Put that over here to the side. So oh man. Oh, this is cool. Oh, they sent me a coupon. That's cool. That's just a packing slip. Ah, yes. A couple of more stickers, but I got a couple of these already on the car already, but I'll save these whenever those wear out. I can put these on next. These are cool. These are different from the other ones that I got. Real, hey man, I like these. Yeah, these are going on the car whenever the other ones wear out that I have on there now. Let's put that to the side, but here's the banner. Oh, heck yeah. Yeah, man. It's big too. Oh, look, it's more than one. Oh, cool, man. Yeah. So you know what, man? We got to figure out where I got to figure out where I'm gonna hang this thing at, man. And look, because it tears right here. Man, this is cool, man. Trying not to tear it too bad. And it's basically, how many of them is there? Let me see. Let's roll this thing out. Let's see what it is. Hey, it's 3 of them. Yeah, dog. Yes, I'm loving it. So I'm gonna have to figure out where I'm gonna hang these things. All right, y'all. So let's see if I can get this up here and then get up here straight, and me not mess anything up. All right. All right, y'all. So, man, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up here. So it didn't wind up turning out to be the things that I needed to work on the truck, but I still had to do a little something to fix the issue that I had. So it wound up not being that big of a deal. And I was able to get one of the banners hung up. And dang, I gotta take that piece of blue tape off of there. Forgot about that. I'm gonna take it off there. It ain't gonna be there. Again, man, I want to say thank you to Perrin, because, you know, companies, they don't really have to do that. I am a very, very small channel, and they took the time out to send me these banners, and I didn't, and they sent it on their dime, and I really appreciate that, man. That's a pretty stand-up company that'll even support you or send you stuff, and you're small. So that's cool, man. I really appreciate that. So thanks again to Perrin. And I want to thank all of you guys for supporting me as well, and for sticking in there and hanging out there the whole time, all the way to the end of the video. Next week I got some stuff that's been rolling in for the go. So we got some stuff that came in. So we'll get back to doing some more installs on here. Yeah, I got some changes that are coming, man. Some changes, dog. So stay tuned, man. Keep tuning into the videos. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit all. That way then you get notified whenever I put out a video, and your boy will see you on the next video. Peace.